poke it out, poke it out. Bad ass, poke it out, poke it out.
Playboy, 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 playboy.
I'm just that much. Pop perk second, higher than a gun. Fuck your bitch, get her ass out of sight. Came from the kitchen, but I'm living nice. Came for the riches, I got time to fight.
Hey, hon. Hi. Period. So it's my birthday week or whatever. So we're gonna vlog. Mia just got here not too long ago. She's washing her hair. I'm gonna get my hair done soon. So period.
Yeah, just wait.
Hey y'all. Hi guys. So basically, right? Period.
Wait, I don't like when people. Okay.
What? Look at you.
No, nothing. Go ahead.
We're vlogging right now, right? And we're at the place or whatever.
Yeah. We skipped all the extra.
Get ready and stuff.
Yeah.
Cause
So
it was just
I guess technically this isn't really a get ready.
it is what
Technically,
it is.
right? But it's okay.
Look, it's a chicken.
All right, we're gonna get ready for the beach so we could. Yeah.
Okay, y'all. So we're at the beach right now.
Show them pod. Show them pod.
Hey, get into it. Oh my God. Anyways, we're at the beach right now, and it's actually a pretty nice scenery. We were taking pictures. We weren't able to do much today because we were busy taking pictures, videos, just having fun. Period, whatever. But we still have 2 more days, so we could do a lot in those 2 days. So yeah,
It wasn't really like a get ready with me type of thing.
more like a vlog.
But we got another get ready with me coming. So
We'll figure it out. I don't know. It's coming anyways. Whatever the heck.
But this beach is mad tough. Like, are we gonna go on a ride? It's the sky for me. It's the warm water. Like this water,
This water is so warm.
It feels so good.
Like it's not even hot outside. Like it's good outside.
This is fucking natural. Like what fucking please?
Okay, talking about some natural vibes. That's Brittany. We're doing a collab with her later. So
Subscribe to
my
my
hair.
channel at Brittany's Take.
Brittany's take. I'ma put it here.
Take bitches.
On the road to 100 subscribers.
Damn, we got freaking 43. Anyways. Anyways, yeah. So we're gonna be doing a collab video on her channel and on my channel, our channel later. The water splash on me. We're gonna be doing a collab. So just
Like, they be
wait for
There's
that.
Destiny in the back. She's about to come.
We'll show her later. Oh wait.
Look, she about to be. Ooh, Brittany's
That's
body.
Destiny.
Hey,
That's
that's Destiny right there.
Say hey to the vlog.
Hey guys.
Hey, guys.
She's a mess. All right, bye.
With a hoe, cause the hoe wanted me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you.
Hey y'all, you know it's Corona, so we made a mask or whatever. He is. But we're not gonna talk about that. Anyways, hey y'all, we're vlogging right now. Last time y'all saw us, we was at the beach. Yes,
That was yesterday.
and we're at shop right now with Brittany.
And her sister.
Subscribe to her channel at Brittany's Take. It's gonna be like on top of this fat ass head.
Shut the hell up.
And are we missing anything?
We about to go. What are we shopping for?
Okay,
Right.
we're shopping for like little cute food and sandwiches because we're about to go to Sahara Sam's tomorrow.
Don't tell them the place. What if they start? Oh, they live in Jersey. Let's go.
Oh my god,
Stop.
it's Sahara Sam's all over. The hell?
Oh, there is?
Yes.
Oh, never mind.
But let's let them see. It's a basic shop right.
ShopRite.
Like, come on now, y'all dumb.
They didn't even sit in here.
Like, talking about some, they dumb.
They dumb.
Jay.
Okay, y'all, that's me and she just walked away. But this is vlog, right? Period. Right now we just chilling. Tomorrow's tomorrow is Sahara Sam's, and I found a bathing suit, so that's really good. It's a bathing suit that I had that I only wore once, and I just tried it on in body. Period.
Jay. Special guest. He's our behind the scenes man.
Oh yeah, y'all. I did Mia's hair. Show him, y'all. showing me? No.
Ew, I can see it from the thing. That is so ugly.
It really was. That's the crazy part. But yeah.
Hey guys, we look a little rough right now, but we're at.
You couldn't even turn it around.
Oh my gosh, wait, hold on, I gotta stand.
Look what I got.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna do it like this.
We at Mountain Creek right now,
Okay,
and
so
like,
this is the
it's
view.
so beautiful.
That'd be funny if I
It's so beautiful, y'all understand? Look how far. Look at us, like. And you see him and his little bicycle. Hey, Connor! Connor! He looked back. That was his name. That was his name. She said that was racist. Yeah! Yeah!
Okay, that's enough.
Anyways,
in my ears, like.
that's what we got.
Hair, so cute.
It was really fun.
Wait, what he said?
It was really fun. You look bad. You see my lace kind of lifting, but we ain't really going to talk about that.
What the fuck?
Oh my gosh. Show it what? Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh. You see him?
sir.
He was so cute.
This is cute.
Oh my gosh.
Ew, don't zoom in on me.
Oh my gosh. Y'all ugly, but the background cute. This is so pretty. Sour Sam's could literally never. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. Look how high we going, y'all. This is so beautiful. This is really beautiful. Like, what? Alright. This is so beautiful. Eres bonita.
Don't put your phone out the
Muy
thing.
bien, muy
Girl,
bien.
bring it in. Like, if it drops.
Move, Mia.
I'm gonna flick it.
This is my video, Mia. Look, y'all. So let me tell y'all where we at. We west coast of California. Yes.
Talk about some West
Right
Coast.
there, you know, we got all.
Drinking out the juice, I don't need a spray. Fuck 'em by the two, they both tryna ride. Then I ditch 'em both, I ain't